Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afdan bin Bahrain with number metric 2019285658. I'm from class J4EM11040D. So today I would like to share a video of lab 2, which is milling process. So this is all the milling process that has been done. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 process for this milling process. So these are all the process. So I will explain more from the part process number 3. Okay. For part A, the process is contour mill rectangular pocket outside. And then I'm going to the part B. The cutting tool that I use in this process is MEM360. The description that I found from this MEM360 is, I look to the appendix. The MEM360 is that suitable for this process is 20S2010T3 if the number of insert is 3, which is, we put here number 3, and the size dimension is 20. And then we go to the next, LF and LH for S20 20S20 then T3 is LF 110 and LH is 30. So we put it here. So we continue with the next part, which is part C. The cutter material that we use is carbide. The cutting speed is 274, and then end mill diameter 20 millimeter. Machine max 6000. Cutting edges or flutes is 3. Spindle speed is 4360 rpm. Chip load is 0.16, and fit rate that we can get from all of this is 2093 millimeter per minute. So how do I get this? Is from this little machine shop. So we go through step by step. Unit of measure that I use is millimeter, and then operation is milling. Material that I use is aluminium. Cutter material that I told just now is carbide. The cutting speed is 274. As you can see here, 274. And then the end mill diameter is 20, so we put 20 there. The spindle speed is 4360 rpm, and then the machine max is 6000. Cutting edge 3. The chip load is 0.16, and then we calculate for the fit rate, and there you have it. The fit rate is 2093 millimeter per minute. Okay, so we move on to the next. For part C, we calculate the estimate time in minute with the equation of length of cut in millimeter divided by feet with the unit of millimeter per minute. So the length of cut that for this third process is 200 millimeter over the feet rate that we calculate just now, 2093. So we calculate using our calculator, and then we got 200 divided by 2093, and then we got 0.095 minute. And then we move on to the next part, which is part D. This is the part that we have to cut in this process. As you can see from here, the third bubble, this one, the rectangular. So that's it for this building process. Thank you.